Want to make your WhatsApp group more private and secure? In this video, I'll show you how to make it so that only the group admin can see all participants, keeping member details hidden from regular members. This is a great feature, especially if you're managing a large group or a sensitive community. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you how to remove all group members at once. Super useful for admins. Hey everyone, welcome to Techful Things. With tons of experience helping users master WhatsApp, I'm here to break down how admins can see all participants in a WhatsApp group while keeping that info hidden from others. To get started, open your WhatsApp app and head to the group you manage. Tap on the group name to enter the group info screen. Now scroll down and tap on Group Permissions. Here, you'll find settings like who can send messages or add participants. To restrict visibility, make sure only admins have permission to manage group settings and participants. This is the first step to ensuring only admins can see who's in the group. Now for an even better way, use WhatsApp's community feature. Create a community and add your group to it. This limits participant visibility even more, giving admins full control over the member list while keeping it hidden from general users. Mentioning our topic again, this method, where only the admin can see all participants in WhatsApp groups, really enhances your privacy and authority as a group manager. Bonus tip. Here's a bonus for you. Want to clear out your group fast? I've linked a separate video that walks you through how to remove all WhatsApp group members at once. Perfect if you're resetting or restructuring your group. What's one WhatsApp feature you wish more people knew about? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Techful Things, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.